Hi everyone, it's Mariah here. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. So, you know what I'm going to be talking about, the title of this video that you saw. So, I'm going to be showing you guys how to message Holly Nova. You cannot do this with Pixie Star or Zack Sky. I got this video idea from a YouTuber, MSP YouTuber. I'm not sure what one it is, but if I do find the video, I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if I can or not, but if I do, that would be awesome. But yeah, so I made this account for like testing purposes because I did not want to use my main for this because I don't know how it will go. But anyway, it's called PettyGain1232 and the password is low12345667. So if you guys want to claim this account, you can. It's all yours. So basically you want you can't do it through MSP. As you can see, there's no message button on here. So basically you have to do is get on Booney Planet, and I was already logged in, but I re-logged back in and logged out, logged back into MSP. So basically you want to log into Booney Planet, and if you do not have an account made, it's very, very simple to do this, to make the account and stuff. It's really, really simple. So, okay, so I gotta log out here. Or it won't let me log in. Okay, I gotta log out here, sorry guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna go try again. Let's see if it'll let me in. Okay. Alright, so basically now it's connecting and this is still working. So yeah, I'm going, okay, this is so not cool. So what you want to do is you want to go down to friends and type in Holly Nova. And basically, you'll find her right at the top here, and you can chat with her right here. As you can see, there's no chat button on MSP. You can give her a little booty hug, and we're going to chat with her and just say, hey, I love you. You are so cool. Just tolerate, that'd be amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna log back into MSP and I'll show you guys to prove to you guys that went to her, but that's all you have to do is go through Booney Planet, type in her name, and the messages will be right there, and we'll give her Booney hug and say, you are awesome, you know. So we're gonna prove to you guys that it is there, that it is still there. So PettyGain1232. Like I said, the password is low12345667. If you guys want the account, you can go snag the account. I won't be using it anytime. I won't be using this because I do have my main. But if you guys want it, like I said, I'll link the password and stuff down below. So basically, now that I'm all logged in, you guys can officially message Holly Nova on here. And see, it went through right here. And you can message her now, and you can give her, like, you can't give her autographs or anything, but you can still message her. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to become part of the family, and also I'll be posting more. So like I said, the account for the password and stuff for this account will be linked down below if you did not catch it. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like and subscribe, and yeah. Alright guys, mwah.